channel. And yes, say hi.
Yeah.
So anyway, guys, the girls, listen, Olivia, you guys already know Olivia always want to be a part of the video. So, all right, come. All right, so today is wash day for the girls. I'm gonna wash their hair. And yeah, I just wanted to show you guys it's kind of a struggle to wash 3 girls' hair, comb 3 girls' hair. So I want to take you guys along with me. If any other mom out there has the struggle to like literally comb 4 or 3 girls' hair, this is what I go through, and I wash their hair one time. So I'm gonna start with Kyra. The hair is already out. That's Kyra. This is Amelia. You know, a couple weeks ago the hair cut, so yeah, it's gonna grow. And this is Janae's hair. So this is the hair. Janae, Amelia, and Kyra. We're gonna go with Kyra first. So I'm gonna wash their brush. Every time I'm washing their hair, I wash their brushes. Yes, I have to use the kitchen sink for now. We don't have a tub. I have to use the kitchen sink. It's easier. I have a hair stopper right here in the sink, and I clean my sink afterwards. Just letting y'all know if somebody gonna leave a comment about that. Yeah. Anyway, this brush is what I use from Daily Sparkles. Daily Sparkles, we have some Daily Sparkles shampoo and the Shea Moisture shampoo and conditioner, which I also love. I'm gonna wash their brushes and combs. That's the first thing I do, and then I start off with their hair. And you guys might be wondering why I do have an aloe vera right here, because I'm gonna show you guys how I use the aloe vera. Not all the time I wash their hair or their heads, but I use it ever so often. But this is not how you guys normally do it. I'm gonna show you guys how I do it, all right?
Sometimes it's hard to tell you so. You may not be in the mood to learn what you think you know. There are times when I find you wanna keep yourself from me. When I don't have the strength, I'm just a mirror of what I see.
This is it. It's fresh. You guys might be wondering why didn't I put the aloe vera inside as yet, but I will show you guys how I do it. Next up, we have Amelia.
Let me know. This love affair.
at this here. We're done with Amelia. And I'm gonna show you how I do their hair. Pair of practice. I'm gonna show you guys how I do the aloe vera in their hair, and then I'm gonna do Jin hair after, because they have to leave for practice in like 45 minutes. I'm gonna show you guys how I do the aloe vera in their hair. This is the amount of hair in the sink. This is the ear stopper, so it works. So yes, I use the sink because I have back problems and I cannot bend to use the tub in the shower, but this thing works. So it grabs all the hair so it doesn't go down in the drain, and I absolutely love it. All right, you can try it too. We are gonna start off with Amelia first because she has to leave first. So this is what I do, just because I don't want to put heat in the hair. So I'm just gonna put some twists. You know, we normally plait or twist it so that it could dry.
To learn what you think you know. There are times when I find you wanna keep yourself from me. When I don't have the strength, I'm just a mirror of what I see. You are love. You're a positive, motivating force within my life. If you ever feel the need to wonder why, let me know. Let me
Some Chinese bump because their ear ends there's no ends because we cut the hair a couple weeks ago. So I'm just doing Chinese bumps. I have like 4 leaves, and yeah, the hair is still wet. The aloe vera is still inside, so I think it works better this way, my opinion. This is how I do it. There's no arm to it or anything like that. So yeah, you guys can try it too. So this is how I do the Chinese bump. I just twist the hair. It will get curly as when it's dried and we pull it out. I'm just trying to avoid the heat on their hair, and every time there's braid we have to blow it out. So I'm just doing my best to minimize or use less heat.
let me know. What you feel, it's hard for me to understand. So many things have taken place before this love affair began. But if you feel more like I feel confused.
Alright guys, so Amelia hair is done. It's nothing perfect. It's just, the parting is not perfect. We just need it to get dry, and then they have gymnastic and karate. So we need it to look at least a little bit cute. So I wasn't doing it for a hairstyle for them to wear. This is it. Hold it down. The aloe vera is still inside, so we give her like a little Chinese bump. I think it's cute. Go look at it and tell me what you think.
Let me know. Let me know. Let me know.
So we're done with Kara's hair. This is how it looks. We did it a little bit faster than how we did Quinn's hair. And now we're gonna wash and do Janae's hair the same way.
So many things have taken place before before this love affair began. What if you feel more like I feel? Confusion can't give way to doubt. For there are times when I fall short. What I say I'm all about, all about. You are love. You're a positive, motivating force within my life. Should you ever feel the need to wonder why, let me know. Let me know. Let me know.
We're gonna do the same thing with Janae's hair.
I wanna all night, say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night, say it. I wanna all night.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby.
So we're almost done with Janae's hair. This is it. You know the parting is not straight, but that's fine. We only have 4 leaves. And then we're all done. The aloe vera also helps the hair, softens the hair, so it's easy to comb through the hair. So I really do like that. I think Janae's hair was more on a level, so it has a little bit more ends. And also, guys, cut your kids' hair. Cut it twice every year or once every year, and let them get a blowout. Let them get a blowout once a year, and then cut it. But too much heat is not good, and I'm trying to avoid that.
Confusion can't give way to doubt. For there are times when I fall short. What I say I'm all about, all about. You are love. You're a positive, motivating force within my life. Should you ever feel the need to wonder why, let me know. Let me know. Let me know.
Look at Olivia, we're done. So yeah, turn around. I'm gonna clean up now, and yeah. So Janae and Kara is here. Amelia is gone. So yeah, this is the finished product, guys. Once it's dry, we'll put it out, oil it, with our Dilly Sparkles oil and get it on. Watch her eat the aloe vera. Olivia eat the aloe vera.
Ew.
So say bye.
Bye.
Say bye, Elsie. Say bye. I'm gonna clean the sink now. I'm just gonna use some Fab soap and some bleach. Some of this. Spray the sink.
I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will.